Hey guys, today I want to show you how to remove the rear light, the rear roof light in Golf MK7, Passat B8, probably some Skoda and other Volkswagen and Seat cars. So this is installed over there, up there, and this is a second one, LED one. If you want to replace your interior lights with LED, you don't need to replace the bulbs, you can replace the whole assembly if you can find used one in a good price. So what you need to do to remove it, first you need to use something sharp like a prying tool to pry this frame. This is step one. And now to remove it, I believe that you will need to unlock this black piece. This black piece moves slightly, but if you use a flat screwdriver and put it over here and over here, you will be able to use this to move this out of your way, and the whole assembly should be free to be removed. Okay, so this goes over here and over here, and once it's pressed you can move this in this direction. So this goes over here, apply some pressure, and this goes over here, apply some pressure, and it's released. You can see it now, and when I pop it back in place, it's locked over here. Those are those two locks that we need to press from underneath to release the light. Okay, now let's try it in the car. Okay, and now that it's released, we need to undo this connector, this red tab. Let me just do it. Okay. And when you move the red tab upwards, you can press over here and disconnect it. And that's it. Connect the new one, put it in place, and you are done. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.